What does your ideal dream business look like? I encourage you, spend some time really clarifying your vision a little bit more. I would encourage you, after this workshop, you're going to feel really good. You're going to feel really inspired. You're going to have learned so much. I want you to sit with yourself a little bit after this workshop. And I want you to go there. I want you to go into your future and imagine what could be possible for yourself. Because it's so important to know where you want to go and what you want to create. Once you know that, then we can figure out the how together. Don't worry about the how. We're here to help you with the how, okay? Remember, the how is always figure outable. Just focus on why you're doing it. The why is going to keep you going. The how we can figure out. That's why we have our incubator program. It's designed to walk you through all of the steps of the how. So you can create this vision for yourself. And how are you going to implement this vision? You're going to implement this with a map, with a roadmap. You obviously need a roadmap to take you from where you are right now to where you want to go, that dream and vision that you're crafting for yourself, that you're clarifying for yourself. This framework, this roadmap is what we call our DigitalMentors Framework. It's a 9-step roadmap to take you from where you are to building a successful digital mentorship business. Any type of digital mentorship business in any niche. So there's essentially 9 steps that we've outlined. And we take you through those steps in 3 phases. The first phase is the planning phase, right? And unfortunately, most entrepreneurs, online especially, they spend very little time in the planning phase. They don't get clear on their vision. They don't get clear on their market and their messaging. They don't get clear on the proper, correct offers and their offer strategy. They just get right into wanting to make money and drive traffic. They hop right into building funnels because they know that they're just one funnel away. But a funnel is not going to help you if you haven't crafted your messaging. Unfortunately, if you haven't crafted your vision, if you don't even know where you're leading people to, you don't need a funnel. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can make money selling coaching and courses without even a website. It's true. You could be making money right now selling your coaching, selling your knowledge without even a website. But you need to get clarity first. So the first phase is planning. Once we've got a clear plan in place, then we can execute, then we can move into the build phase. That's where we concern ourselves with our tech stack and our websites and our product and our fulfillment and our funnels. We establish those things. And we always only focus on our minimum viable product. That's something I'll repeat as well over the course of this training. Our MVP, minimum viable product. We build our business like software companies build their business, right? All of you have an iPhone or an Android in your pocket or on your desk, right? I've got the iPhone 14 here, I think. How did they launch? Did they launch with the iPhone 14? No, they launched with iPhone 1.1, and every year they made updates. They improved it year after year. And I want you to look at your business that way as well, especially as a solo entrepreneur, guys. We can't build our vision in 1 year. We need to take steps to get there. So we're going to come up with a minimum viable product first, test it in the market, get it out there, get a few clients in the door, change a few lives, and then build upon that version with version 2.0, version 3.0, and improve it as we go. The next offer, the next program, and that's how we grow our business. Once you've established your minimum viable product and you've got the technology in place, and we're going to show you how to do all that, then you can get into the grow phase, the marketing, growing that audience, growing your impact, building the engagement through the selling process, and then eventually we get to the scaling process. Once you have an established business, you've got clientele, you've got marketing that's bringing in customers, you've got cash flow. That's when we get into automation, leverage, and paid ads. Anybody here try to set up like automations, like complicated automations, or do paid ads before they had consistent income in their business, before they were completely clear on all of these other things? Anybody ever try that? Yeah, how'd that work out? Did it help you? I know a lot of people that unfortunately lost a lot of money doing paid ads. And this is one of the biggest problems that I've seen in this industry over 15 years, is that you've got well-intentioned, most of them, gurus and trainers out there that are teaching you things that make them money, obviously, but not necessarily you. They get you doing things, unfortunately, sometimes in the wrong order. It doesn't serve you. That's why we have this 9-step framework, so that you can see the proper order, the proper steps, the proper process that you need to grow a successful, sustainable business. The planning phase, the building phase, and then the growing phase. You really can't rush it. And we're going to take you through this process step by step. Now, in this workshop, guess what we're going to be focusing on? It's kind of easy. We're not doing all 3 phases, right? We're going to be focusing on the first phase, the planning phase, the most important phase. That's all we're doing in this workshop because it is the most important phase. If you've got a clear plan, a good plan, then you can execute and you can get results. But if your plan is weak, your actions are going to be weak. The sites you set up, the messaging you set up, the funnels you set up, they're going to be weak, and it's going to be very difficult to gain traction in your business. So we're going to focus on creating a killer plan.